In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on the Shein marketplace. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an experienced seller looking to expand your reach, this guide will walk you through the steps to get started on this popular platform. First, let's get acquainted with what Shein Marketplace is all about. Shein is a global fashion retailer that attracts millions of customers worldwide, making it a fantastic platform for sellers to showcase their products. Now, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser. In the search bar, type Sell on Shein Marketplace. This will lead you to the necessary information and links about becoming a seller on Shein. It's always a good idea to dive into all the resources available because the more you know, the smoother your journey will be. Once you have your search results, look for the link that mentions Sell on Shein Marketplace. Clicking on this link will take you to the Shein seller portal. This is your gateway to join their marketplace as a seller, so make sure you're in the right place. The Shein marketplace mainly supports fashion-forward, trendy, and diverse products, and so it's essential that your merchandise aligns with their style to maximize your chances of success. After you're on the seller portal, you'll want to click on Join Marketplace. Think of this step as your formal application to enter a digital market brimming with potential buyers. Clicking this link moves you one step closer to reaching a wider audience eager for the unique and trendy styles that you will provide. Now comes a crucial part of the process, filling in your details. In this step, you'll be required to provide information about yourself and your business. This includes details like your contact information, the types of products you offer, and any other required business documentation Shein might request. It's vital to ensure that every piece of information you provide is accurate and truthful because Shein will review this information to assess your eligibility. Don't rush through this step. Take your time to double check for any errors or missing information. Once you've submitted your details, it becomes a waiting game as Shein reviews your application. If your application is successful and Shein approves you as a seller, you'll gain access to their platform where you can start listing your products for millions of customers to explore and purchase. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the basic steps to begin your journey on Shein Marketplace. Remember, the key to success is persistence, originality, and understanding your market. Stay informed of latest trends and customer preferences to enhance your sales. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your new venture on Shein's platform.